Vivo is coming with the V15 Pro very soon, and one of the main highlights of the device are its cameras. It packs in a triple camera setup at the back with its 48 million quad pixel primary camera with f1.8 aperture, as well as an ultra wide angle camera with f2.2 aperture, and lastly a 5 megapixel depth sensor. At the front you get a pop-up selfie camera with 32 megapixels of resolution, and the V15 Pro is the first smartphone to give such a high resolution camera at the front, and is also a motorized one that automatically opens and closes when you need it in just 0.46 seconds. So far we have been really impressed with the cameras on this device, and we took the smartphone around for a day to check out its photography and videography abilities, and we want to let the content itself do the talking. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and here's a video of Bangalore as seen through the eyes of the Vivo V15 Pro.